SwitchBot contact sensor is a wireless security system with a contact sensor. It detects the opening and closing of a door or window. It connects to accessories via Bluetooth and is powered by a micro USB cable. Download the SwitchBot app for free from the Apple Store or Play Store. Then add the contact sensor to the SwitchBot ecosystem. The contact sensor can now be paired with other SwitchBot devices. It must be used with a mini hub. Create one or more scenes. For example, when contact sensor detects that you are leaving your house, it can turn off the light. You can also set curtain, so that it opens the curtains, turns on the switches and even turns on your TV, when you get home. This touch sensor can also sense its surroundings when the room gets dark or bright, and can automatically trigger the lights if someone moves. With contact sensor you have many possibilities, such as activating the motion detector on your indoor camera. It can send notifications to your phone when someone comes into your home, when the window is open, or when your pet runs away. It is also compatible with Alexa, Siri, Google and other systems. Alexa will be able to alert you when someone enters your home. Place it anywhere in your home, it is easy to install, instantly detects a closed or open door. It is easy to program to have your lights or gadgets in your home automatically activate when it detects you.
Okay. Done.